Alright, so back to work. After the cacao farm, that bruise I had on my back got really bad. Yeah, it really hurt a lot. I've been pretty much screwed for like 3 days. But I've been icing the crap out of it and I'm feeling better today. So I'm gonna try out the new paint sprayer. The cabinets I made the other day. I'm gonna hose those down or sand them down and then hose them down with the new paint sprayer and hopefully get those up tomorrow, start using them. So first little test on the paint. It's a little thick, but I think it'll do. So let's go. Some friends were coming back from a month in the States, and what better way to celebrate than share a meal together? Raw Fusion is the place to go for awesome local and fresh sushi and beautiful views. Their TripAdvisor link will be in the comments below. Today I tried a new bread recipe, and it's from this Irish girl. I'll drop the link in the comments below to her stuff, but she calls this her crazy dough, and it's good for pretty much everything. So today I did a cheese bread, cheese loaf, and Nutella and cacao swirls. So this is how they look like. Getting back to work. So started mudding the other day. This is the loft bathroom, just because it's easy on the back. It's easy for me to do. So yeah, I just got the second coat on today, and I think I'm gonna move downstairs to our bedroom and start some demo in there and keep the dream alive. Actually, scratch that. Change of plans. So we were using a friend's coffee table, Olivia and Oswaldo's coffee table, for a TV stand for the last little bit, but they took their coffee table back. So we've been using this table for a while, and I mean, it serves the purpose, but that's my workbench. So I'm gonna slap together a little table today, something that we can use in the interim. It's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna be functional, and yeah, it'll be smaller. And that's how you make a 2-hour TV stand. It was just a quickie, it's just a quick fix. But I mean, I could eventually in the long run pretty it up a little bit and reuse it. I mean, we could cover the top in cement board and do a mosaic over top, which would be kind of cool actually. So that's something we might look at in the future, paint it out. Yeah, anywho, time to get her in place and have a shower. There's only so much a person can sweat in a day before they're done, and I'm done. Today we're gonna make a new chandelier. That's gotta go. I don't like it. So we found this piece of driftwood in here. It was hanging on the wall, and we thought it'd be pretty cool to use these holes to run lights through. Yeah. So yeah, let's get on it. Figure out the balance of it. Just gonna drop a rope down, clip it on. And we'll have a look. Well, it's up. It's up there. Gonna wire it up tomorrow. Sally insists I go have a shower immediately, so just gonna have a beer and have a shower and maybe clean up after. But I think it's gonna look pretty cool.
Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications of future videos as we continue to renovate the future Sunsetter Bed and Breakfast.